we're going to write equations from tables. And some of them are going to be easy. Some of them are going to require you to think a little bit. We'll see. We'll look at both. All right, so if they give me on the table, let's make it easy for the first one. If they're asking me to write an equation again, what are the two things we need to find? Asen?
Slope and y-intercept.
Same thing we found yesterday. You got to find the slope and the y-intercept. All right, who can help me find the slope from a table? We've already covered that. Tucker.
I think it is every one is 10, so
We're gonna find what, Tucker? The what and the what?
slope and y-intercept.
No, we already talked about that. You're helping me find the slope from this table.
The slope is
You gotta find, I'll give you a hint. Change in y. There we go. So, how much of the y is changing, Tucker?
10.
Good. How much of the x is changing?
1.
Do y'all agree that the slope is 10 over 1? Hello? Sweet. So let's go ahead and put 10x in our equation. Now, how do we find that old y-intercept?
It's gonna be 0 because it starts out 1 up by 10.
What do you mean? I'm confused.
1 is 10 because that's plus 10, but there's 0 is 0.
0 minus 10.
Okay?
Minus 1.
Okay.
And then
Isn't the y-intercept where x equals
0.
good? So we need to go backwards. Do y'all agree? Because we need to find out what 0 is. So subtract 1, subtract 10, and do y'all agree with Porter that the y-intercept is going to be 0?
Yes.
So for this equation, there's your equation. Y equals 10 times x. The slope is 10, the y-intercept is 0. When the y-intercept is 0, you don't need to write any number. David. All right, that was an easy one. Let's do a little more challenging one. Not much, because they're all going to be similar. All right, let's find the slope on this bad boy. All right, Crosby, help me find the slope.
The slope would be negative 3 over 3.
Negative 3 over 3.
Yes.
Y'all agree with Crosby?
Yes.
Oh, negative 3 over 3, that reduces. What is it reduced to?
Negative
Oh,
1.
no, no, no.
Negative 1 over 1. So what is my slope I need to put in my equation?
Y
Y
equals
equals negative 1.
Negative 1 x. Okay. And now we need to find the y-intercept. Tucker.
the y-intercept is gonna be 0.
Don't tell me the answer. Tell me how to find it. That's what I said.
Subtract 3 and subtract 3 on the other side.
Hold up. I need to subtract 3 on both sides?
Negative 3.
Don't interrupt him. Go ahead.
You subtract negative 3 on
Don't.
y.
I don't like subtract negative 3. Either add or subtract. Don't tell me subtract the negative.
You add to the y.
Add 3?
Yes.
Yeah. So what's negative 4 plus 3?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. And what do I do over here?
You
Subtract.
Subtract 3.
So it's 0.
Good. Do y'all agree that the y-intercept is 0 and negative 1? So what do I need to put in this equation?
Plus negative
There ain't no plus negative 1.
No.
It's either plus 1 or minus 1. It's minus 1. We do not need more signs than, don't ever tell me plus negative, don't tell me minus negative. It's either plus or minus, either one. Questions? Let's do another. Who can help me find this? No. 4.
4 more.
How much of the y is going up?
4.
4. How much the x's?
4.
Do y'all agree with 4 over 1?
Yes.
All right, so what do we need to put in the equation?
4x.
4x. Sweet. Who can help me find the y-intercepts? Maddie?
You're gonna subtract. Oh, wait, no. You're gonna subtract 4.
Okay. And what do we get?
Negative 4.
13 minus 4.
9.
9. What do we do over here?
Subtract.
Subtract how much?
1.
Is that my y-intercept? No, we gotta keep going. Subtract 4 more.
3.
What's 9 minus 4?
3.
What?
5.
9 minus 4 is 5. Subtract 1 more, what do we get?
3.
Is that the y-intercept?
No.
Keep going. Subtract 4 more.
1.
Subtract 1 more.
2.
Is that the y-intercept?
No.
Dang it. Let's keep going. Subtract 4 more.
Negative 3.
Subtract 1 more.
1. Nope.
Is that it?
No.
Are we ever gonna get there? We'll see. Subtract 4 more
Negative 7. Negative 7.
and subtract 1 more. Is that the y-intercept?
Yes.
Praise the Lord, we finally got there. So what do I need in my equation? Any questions? So on each problem, use the change in y over change in x to get the slope. And then you may have to do a little work like we did to find out where x is 0. Sometimes they'll have it in the table and you ain't got to do no work. That'd be nice. Any questions? All right, take out your computers.